Elevator at the Tivoli garage. We got a KONE. You got buttons on, indicator on one side, buttons on both.
5?
Yep, hit 5.
Whoa!
That's KONE's chimes. They're not very good quality. It's not the passing chime, that's actually the bell. This is hydraulic too, so this is an old KONE. And it's low on oil. We see so many of those low on oil over here. So eventually there's going to be a building there. I don't know when they're going to start building. They've had construction things going on there for ages.
Construction's always slow.
There's the new Learning Commons and City Heights building. The other one's a hotel over there. It's actually a pretty good view from here. I really like this view. On top of the garage, which we don't need to walk out there because it's cold. But yeah. Our elevator decided to abandon us too. It was very polite of it. I heard it drop. It was just like, bye.
Huh,
Wait, there's
two other elevators.
2 other elevators in here.
Elevator 3 and elevator
Yeah,
4.
there's 3, 4. Yeah, you're right about that. This is not a very common fixture series, this one here. I do know someone who has an entire car operating panel, though, of this fixture and the hall stations and whatnot. These chimes are laughable. Press 1, there we go. Close the door. Get our COB picture. Yeah, this one is a KONE too, because of those chimes. And the new indicator. Interesting to see hydraulic KONE. Hydraulic KONE elevators are actually pretty rare. Let's see, we'll get our car view before we go ahead and step out. I'll take the car view as well. Come on, keep the focus. Good enough. It's just steel, nobody really cares.